This is a province filled with respect and innovation, a place of love and compassion. Alberta is home to those born here and to those who come looking for opportunity or a second chance. It's home to our mothers, fathers, brothers, and sisters. Since 1963, Goodwill has called Alberta home. From the very first Goodwill store on 103rd Avenue in downtown Edmonton to more than a dozen retail stores across Alberta, Goodwill is striving to make a positive impact in our province. For 60 years, Goodwill has helped shape the province by helping provide opportunity and training to those with disabilities or barriers seeking employment. People donate because of opportunity. Your donated shirt gives people like Andre a chance to enhance his job skills. Your used coffee mugs are giving people like Shelley an opportunity to contribute back to the community. Your classic music is giving people like Justin a chance to fulfill his dreams. For 60 years, these donations provide opportunity, service, and good. Together, we are building something bigger than we could have ever imagined. A community, a city, a province. This is not California or BC or Ontario. We are building a community full of hope, inspiration, and optimism. An opportunity for those with barriers to realize dreams and create some joy. All this made possible through the power of work and the dignity of a job.
Our job is not finished, it's just getting started.
Together, we will make positive impact on our province.
Providing opportunity.
Service and good. Thank you for shopping at Goodwill and have a good night.